In this video I'll show what the carnivore lunch to go looks like. This morning I had steak, couldn't finish it. It was 2-pound steak. So I cut it into squares, and also I had some ground beef, and I made 2 patties, and this is what I have for lunch to go. Steak, ribeye steak, chopped, and beef patties, salt and little bit of black pepper. And I use no wave oven for my meats. I also have what it's called, cooking in water bath. Can't remember what it's called. Sous Vide. But I don't have patience to deal with it. There you go. Add to this a few bottles of water. Dry meat lasts longer than cooked meat, so you can get away with just regular shopping bag instead of cooler. Boiled meat would need a cooler. Fry meat stays longer. What's in your carnivore lunch?